Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be cleaning and decorating our kitchen for Christmas. This is going to be my last Christmas clean and decorating video, so I hope you guys really enjoy it, and I hope you've watched the other videos and have enjoyed coming along this journey with me. Next up, we'll probably be doing a Christmas home tour very soon, so you can see a more in-depth look at all the Christmas decorations around the house and the front porch, and how our outside lights look and everything like that, so stay tuned for that. But we're gonna get going here in the kitchen, the dining area, and my peg rail shelf area today. I have done a little bit of pre-decor planning so I can get this done really quickly. It is the Monday after Thanksgiving and I'm ready to be done decorating for Christmas. I will share with you a couple things that I've already done. If you see up here behind me, I have displayed all of my vintage ceramic Christmas trees up there. I still need to get them all plugged in and set up like that, but they're up there and they're looking beautiful. I really love how that looks. And a couple of other little touches like this platter up here, it says "'Tis the Season." Again, I will share with you guys everything as we keep on decorating. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel here at Kindly Katey. We do lots of decorating, cleaning, mom life videos. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and remember to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with cleaning and decorating. Okay guys, so this is what we're working with to start off this video. As I told you, I put up a couple little things in the kitchen, but everything else is pretty much a blank slate. I took down all of my fall decor and we are ready to add some festive touches to this kitchen. So the first thing I want to do is change out my sink caddy here and get it ready for the holidays. I always switch out to a seasonal scent of the Mrs. Meyer's products. It just makes cleaning the kitchen a little bit more fun. So I'm taking down the fall scents and I'm putting out my peppermint scent. Now all of these products are left over from last year. And then I also have these new reusable dish and cleaning cloths that I got free from my order from Grove Collaborative. Now, I started using these a couple months ago and they're basically like a very thin sponge, and I use them to wipe up my counters and my dining table every night after we're done eating dinner. And I've really been loving them, so check those out if you haven't used them before. And here is all of my peppermint scents lined up and ready to go. So now we can start cleaning and decorating. We are going to be starting on the dining table today. So this is our dining table. It just sits right outside of the kitchen. We kind of have a big like kitchen, dining, and living room area. And so this is the only spot we have for a dining table, and that's why it's kind of scooted up against this half wall here, and the stairs are, go down to our basement right there. Anyways, so we are going to be styling the Hobby Lobby chicken wire shelf. I know a lot of you guys out there have this shelf and love getting ideas for styling it. So here we go for Christmas. I'm going to be using a lot of Rae Dunn pieces on my chicken wire shelf this year, and basically going with a red and white / candy cane theme. I added my Bath & Body Works candle holder there in the middle that my mom got me this year, or I think she got it on clearance last year actually. Anyways, I have my candle holder and candle there in the middle. I love lighting a candle every night after I clean up the kitchen, and just kind of warms up the house for the evening. To this vintage little Christmas tree canister, I'm going to add some candy cane Hershey Kisses. In the drawers, I like to use smaller pieces, basically like tiered tray size items. A few of these pieces, the pieces you just saw me put there in the middle, those came from a tiered tray kit from Walmart last year. And then over on the right, I have my cute little vintage Santa mug that I thrifted last year. Okay, now we're moving on to my peg rail shelf area. I took down the window frame and I'm going to add the original greenery piece that came on that window frame. It's actually a Christmas piece that my dad got me a few years ago, but for most of the year I just take that greenery off and use it as a plain window frame. So I added that piece back on there, and then I'm going to add just one more floral arrangement on the peg rail, and we're going to keep it really simple in this area for Christmas this year. Okay, now we're moving on to my little coffee corner here. So first we're going to wipe down the counters. I don't wipe down, like behind things very often. So giving the kitchen a pretty good cleaning today. And then we're going to set up this little coffee corner. So I found this tray, this hot cocoa tray in the Target dollar spot this year. And I'm going to place our Ray Dunn coffee canister on there. But then also this very, very cute Nutcracker cookie jar. My aunt got that for me a couple years ago for Christmas, and I'm thrilled to use it this year. Inside, I'm going to put a few little Christmas treats because it's always fun to have treats in the kitchen. And then this is also where I just keep out my Christmas mug that I use every day. So that is actually the mug that I'll be drinking coffee out of. Moving on to the other side of the sink. So in this corner, this is where I keep the diffuser, our essential oil diffuser. But first we're going to wipe down this area. Okay, so this little blanket or little towel ladder, the mini ladder you see, that was in the fall section at Hobby Lobby. And on it, I placed just a very farmhouse red and white tea towel with like the ticking strap on it. I love that classic look. I also keep my diffuser here on a little pedestal. The diffuser itself is from Walmart, the pedestal's from Home Goods, and I always add a miniature wreath around the base of my diffuser. I think it looks very pretty and a very easy way to style it. To this area, I also like to keep a strand of fairy lights. I've done this since I decorated it for fall, I believe. Just whenever the sun starts to set earlier in the night, just a great way to cozy up the house, with the earlier sunsets. And then I am going to add a little sign on the ladder and then a little Christmas creamer or little pitcher that I thrifted this year and create a little cozy Christmas corner. Okay, we're also going to add a little Christmas vignette here next to the stove. So I found this beautiful crock, or it's kind of like a lantern, at Ross this year. And so I'm going to put all of my utensils in there. And then I'm going to add a little Christmas tree and some cute little salt and pepper shakers to complete this little corner here. Okay, now we're going to do some fun styling here in this cubby shelf. I believe this is originally where a microwave would have been placed, you know, like years ago before they started mounting them under the cabinets. So we do have this large cubby shelf and I enjoyed decorating it this year. So I'm going to wipe it out first and then I'm going to be adding my own personal advent calendar. This is the 24 Days of Tea from David's Tea. If you've never heard of them, go check them out. It is a really fun way to celebrate the holidays. I like having a warm drink every afternoon while I'm working and while Grant is napping. So it's a really good treat for me to have. I really enjoy doing it. On the right side here, I've added another pedestal or cake stand and I've put a miniature wreath there and I added a few red berries and pine cones just to add more red into this corner. I'm also adding a little Santa mug and some stirring spoons because we are making this our hot drink station. So the tea advent calendar, and then we're also going to be putting out some hot cocoa supplies in these little vintage canisters that I've thrifted a couple years ago. In the snowman one, we are putting marshmallows, of course, and then into his hat, I like to put chocolate chips just to make it like a black top hat on top of the snowman. And then in the Santa one, I put my hot chocolate mix and some marshmallows to give him a white hat. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite hot chocolate is. Do you make it from scratch? Is there a certain brand that you like to make? I've always just stuck with Swiss Miss. It is the best to me, you know, very nostalgic. It's what we had growing up. But let me know in the comments below what your favorite hot chocolate is. Okay, you guys, that is all of the cleaning and decorating. So please enjoy these final looks of our Christmas kitchen and dining area. Okay guys, that is going to be all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed cleaning and decorating the kitchen along with me. This is one of my favorite spaces to decorate every year and just create cute little spaces throughout the kitchen, yet still making it functional and festive for the rest of the season. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's totally free and it just shows up in your YouTube subscriptions so you know every time I post a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching again. I will see you very soon with our Christmas home tour and Christmas Day in the Life videos. We have lots of presents to buy, presents to wrap, cookies to bake. All the holiday things are coming up here on Kindly Katey, so be sure to stay tuned and don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye.